nice...
Cookies are ready! Hello everyone! Welcome to my channel. No, it's not my channel. Just kidding. It's our channel. Yeah. So now we're here in Ikea in Groningen in the Netherlands, and we're gonna look around and see what do they have here. For the viewers or for those who are living outside the Philippines, they have Ikea, but in the Philippines for now they don't have Ikea there. So yeah, let's see what we have here.
Hey guys, well, welcome to my new house. How do you like it? Actually, this is not my house. If you have a look around, you can see that, like Jobel already said, we are in Ikea. Now, we got something very nice, and that is in 2020, we will have an Ikea in the Philippines. It will be SM Prime Holdings, which will build the first Ikea in the Philippines. And it will not just be the first IKEA in the Philippines, it will also be the largest in the world. Now, a normal IKEA is about 35,000 square meters. And what we will have in the Philippines will be 65,000 square meters. That is about 150 basketball courts. That's amazing. Now, why is it also so big? It's because it will be the central place to deliver furniture of IKEA all over the Philippines. So there will be a call center, there will be a food court, and their food it's good and it's not expensive. It's really affordable, like their furniture. Now, want to have a look? Let's have a see how your house, your condominium, can be. Follow us. So how about this part? Look at this. So if you're a bookworm, now have a look here. This is just book heaven. Well, if you're fond of this and you're like, wow, I like this, oh, that's so cozy, then you have a price tag. You can see how much it is, where to find it. Now this one is in the furniture textile, woontextiel. Some others you can see where they are in the warehouse. Now that is awesome because you can just note it down, you can write it down. So they furnish a pencil and a notebook, boodschappenlijst, shopping list, and you just write down the amount you want to have, the number, the article, and where you can find it in the warehouse. Now that is a place where we go at the final part. So once you went through all the store, you go to the warehouse, and that's where we will find all the stuff. Let's continue to do our shopping. Well, welcome into the dining room. This is another beautiful spot. And that's what I like about IKEA, because they got props set up. You know, if you want to buy a condominium, they always have these showrooms, and that's what they have here too with IKEA. They have plenty of showrooms with plenty of stuff where you can see, where you can find the article I said. I think I will buy some stuff here too. I really like those lights though. Honey, what do you say?
Let me think about it.
Nice. Now we are in the restaurant, and what is so good here is you have pretty much choice, a lot of choice, and it's not expensive, and the food is very good. So it is like authentic, somewhat Swedish food. So I'm hesitating. I think I will go for the Swedish meatballs. They even have vegetarian meatballs, so probably from soya. They have chicken satay, something the Dutch they have. Schnitzel. It's more of a German thing, but it's also very good. Yeah, they got a lot of stuff. They got salmon. Yeah, so they have a lot of stuff here. And it's buffet style, so you take what you want, and then at the end you go to the case, to the cashier, and there's where you pay. So let's see what we got. Let's see for a dessert or even an entry if you want. We can have some coffee or sparkling, or just like this.
Welcome to my kitchen in the future. So, IKEA Philippines is already under construction, so that is nice. It means that the IKEA Philippines is really going to materialize, and it will finish and open, I think, the end of 2020. They have more than 9,000 different furnitures, fixtures. They also have like kitchen tools like this one, like mortar and pestle, and a lot of stuff. Who's not excited for the IKEA Philippines? I want to stay here, baby.
Oh, nice.
Cookies are ready. If you're from work and you're tired of cooking, you can let your children cook for you.
This is the place to be for men. Look at this. You can just find this stuff to have your own workshop. Great if you have a large, or if you have a garage, you can just, oh look at this. You can just put your stuff like your drills, this is awesome. Honey, I can't wait. Can we not just jump forward to 2020?
I'll think about that.
Honey, where are you? Baby?
Honey, this is private area.
Oh, sorry. Sorry. After a while of walking and shopping here, you're in for a good rest. And then you realize, like, wow, man, I could have this bed. Ah. I like it. Okay, what will I wear today? So what I'm doing now is I am planning my kitchen, or our future kitchen. With IKEA, you can have your dimensions of your A will be the height of the ceiling. You put that in and you can make a 3D mock-up how things will fit together. It's just awesome. It's so easy. So they have so many products. You can just select the product, drag it in, and see if it fits. It's all do-it-yourself. But don't worry, maybe you can do a lot yourself. They will still create a lot of jobs. So I've been told that there are more than 500 jobs that will be created at the IKEA in the Philippines. That is just awesome. Now, let's see what kind of kitchen we can get out of here. So, when you finish, you will have the exact things you need for your kitchen, together with the price list and of course the list where you can find it in the stock room. So, and if ever you cannot manage it, you need some help, of course, about those 500 people who will work for IKEA there is always a few guys at the places where you're, so like we are in the kitchen part. So there are people working here, and they are really much willing to help you. So if you went through all the store and you're end up here in the warehouse, and you don't remember where your part is, or you still don't know where it is, there's always a way here to check it out. Now here you have an interactive touchscreen, and I want to have this product, and I want to have that speaker. Yes, they do sell electronic stuff. Okay, and it tells me I can find that right 26, LA 26. That's so easy. Okay guys, we hope you really liked our IKEA tour, and like you guys, we can't wait till we have it in Mall of Asia in 2020.
Yeah, so thank you very much everyone for watching. Please give us a thumbs up. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. And please click the bell button so you'll get notified in our next video. And so everyone, please don't forget to share love always.